Hi, dear friends. Welcome to our channel. As you know, our channel is for English or English improvement as well as English for life skills. Today, I have brought one of the finest stories, a motivational story. As you know, if we listen such type of stories, our mindset get changed. इसलिए हमें बार-बार ऐसी stories सुनना चाहिए. ऐसे such anecdote or such stories we should listen so that what happen, our mindset and our behavior will be changed. करेक्ट? एज यू नो, आवर स्टमक नीड फूड. जैसे पेट को खाने की जरूरत है वैसे अपने ब्रेन को कांस्टेंट अपडेट्स की जरूरत है. दैट्स व्हाई वी शुड लिसन सच कंटेंट फॉर आवर माइंड्स प्रॉस्पेरिटी, फॉर आवर ब्रेन्स प्रॉस्पेरिटी. Correct? Yes. So today also I have brought one of the finest stories. But don't worry, the story will be in English as well as in Hindi. English for, as you know, English for personality, English for confidence, and English for career, and Hindi for understanding. That's why there will be a good mixture of Hindi as well as English so that you will understand the story very properly. Once in a certain city, there was a worker. एक वर्कर था. He used to work for his master. अपने मालिक के लिए काम करता था. And of course, he was a very perfect and very skilled and skillful worker. वो अपने मालिक के लिए बढ़िया घर कंस्ट्रक्ट करता था. And his malik was a good businessman, but a very good businessman. Better say, yes, loyal and very honest businessman. And he used to give that worker good amount. उसने 20-25 साल अपने मालिक के पास काम किया. And there was not a single complaint from his malik about his work. He was so perfect. लेकिन 20-25 साल के बाद he thought that I should retire now. I should take retirement. Now I am tired. He went to his malik and said, sir, actually I want to get retired from my work and I want to take rest. Now his malik said, just do one thing. We have last house. Please don't keep it incomplete. उसको पूरा कर. But the worker was not in mood to continue the work. He had made his mindset that I should stop work now. And that's why he told his master or Malik, Malik, please leave me. But the Malik was so adamant about that, said, please make this last house. So after that, I will not trouble you. एक लास्ट का घर जस्ट बना दे, बस मैं तुझे फ्री कर दूंगा. अनविलिंगली द वर्कर हैड टू लिसन. उसकी इच्छा नहीं थी. अभी तक उसने एक से बढ़कर एक घर बनाए थे, लेकिन उस घर में लास्ट में जो बना रहा था उसमें उसकी इच्छा नहीं थी. सो अनविलिंगली उसने कुछ तो भी जस्ट व्हाट आई मीन से नॉट इन अ प्रॉपर वे वो घर कंस्ट्रक्ट कर दिया. घर उसने एक ठीक है, बट उसने उसमें पूरी जान नहीं लगाई जो पहले के घर में लगाता था. एंड लास्टली ही फिनिश द वर्क एंड he was not satisfied, but just casually to satisfy his master he did that work. And he came to his master and, master, now please relieve now and relieve me now and I want to, yes, stop the work. His master said, no problem, but you have been working with me for last 20-25 years. तो मेरे साथ 25 साल से काम कर रहे हैं. मेरा काम है टू डू यू गिव यू समथिंग. जो तूने लास्ट का घर कंस्ट्रक्ट किया था, टेक दिस की ऑफ दिस लास्ट हाउस. तो अब से तेरा घर रहेगा. यस, वो घर तेरा रहेगा. ओ, you know, worker felt so sad. यार कमाल है, I built finest of the means very fine house. जबरदस्त, एक से बढ़कर एक, बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट मैंने घर कंस्ट्रक्ट किए, और लास्ट का घर मुझे मालूम नहीं था कि मेरा घर है. लेकिन इतने अच्छे घर बनने के बावजूद भी the last I didn't keep my means use my total skill and he felt very sorry. मुझे मालूम नहीं था कि मेरा घर बनेगा. And that time he felt very sorry. And of course he was repenting. वो खुद को पश्चाताप कर रहा था, मीन्स he was feeling very sorry for that. My dear friends, actually it happens. जो भी हम काम करते हैं, whatever we do, you know, that work is for us. That work gives us benefit. So we should do every work with passion, because every work gives you something. We should not do this, means we should not make imbalance in work. Suppose there is one student ने दिल लगा के मेहनत की, बेनिफिट गोज टू हिम. एक ऑफिस में एक ऑफिसर है, दिल लगा के उसने काम किया, बेनिफिट गोज टू हिम. As you know, every person gets benefit of from his work, but we should work with passion, because passion brings impression. Do you agree with me? Yes. So surely you may have liked this story. So for such updates, be with our channel, and of course don't forget to go for subscribe or, yes, share. Okay. Yes. Meanwhile, we'll meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.